How to change Facebook location settings. So first is to launch the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon seen on the top right corner. Then tap the gear icon also found on the top right corner. So to easily navigate the location tool, just tap the search icon found on the upper right corner and then search for location. Then tap device permissions, and so this is where you can find the location option. So just tap the See Info button beside location. Then tap Update Settings. Now select Open Device Settings, and it will direct you to your device settings. Then select the Permissions option. Scroll down until you find the location permissions. Just tap Location, and now this is where you can change your location settings. So that is how you change Facebook location settings. Thank you and have a great day.